Hey, what's up? We're back. Today we're going to do a daily watch list. This watch list will consist of only US stocks. I looked at some Forex pairs, I looked at some crypto, the futures, nothing interesting besides what was on that weekly watch list from yesterday. But like I said, with the US stocks, UK stocks, Canada stocks, every day there'll be something that'll be worth looking into. So with that being said, let's get started. First up, we have PDD. They had a pretty rough day, gap down continuation. If we go to the intraday chart, we see that it started to build a little bit of support. So if it holds the support, it's a buy. It should have a nice run up to this area within tomorrow or the next few days. So look for a good run above this level here. I have AAP, Advanced Auto Parts. This probably had bad earnings as well. Gap down, try to run up here. Let's look at the intraday. Once again, starting to build some support. It got through here. Blue line rejected, which is the 50 MA. As you can see, start to come together. And this should be a nice upward move, at least up to 50 and then, 52. So AAP. Next on the list is EMR. Downtrend scoop. I was actually watching this the past few days. It did a lot of dojis, a lot of indecision, but once it breaks this 20 period SMA, it should be all green from there. So I like it anywhere above 105 EMR. Next up, Core, CORZ. Once again, we have support here. If it breaks that, if we have resistance. If we have resistance here, once it breaks through there, it should be all green, all long. Anywhere above 11, 11.15 should be good for cores. Disney, everyone's favorite. Disney was interesting because I started to get in around here just for a little quick run to the green, the 8 exponential moving average. Then it made its way back down, gapped up here, continuation, has resistance here. It broke through the resistance today. So we should see some continuation on Disney. I like it over $92. And the last one for the longs, IRWD. Long red candle day is starting to slowly creep back up. If it gets above 510, it's a go. It's a go. Let's go to our shorts. AMD. AMD made a beautiful run along with other semiconductors, Nvidia, and the other crew. However, we have strong resistance here at the 200 simple moving average. This red line here, a lot of resistance. It closed below the 8 exponential moving average, so that's a good sign that it has some way to it's time to retreat, and the target will be down to this level right here. So keep on AMD. Keep an eye on AMD tomorrow. Next up, Airbnb. It seems people are not rocking with Airbnb anymore. What's going on? What's that about? I don't know. I haven't been to Airbnb in quite some time. But they've been having a rough time. Let's get the weekly real quick to see what's going on with them. 170 down to 115. Let's go a little bit further. Let's look at the monthly chart. Okay. Not too bad. Support here. If they break the support, it looks like it could be in trouble. But we do have this as a short for the daily watch list for tomorrow. You see it's a slow curve. Sometimes when a stock gaps down, bad news, it gap down. See, it gaps down here. It creeps back up. However, when it creeps back up, it should close above this green line. However, Airbnb did not close above this line. It decided to creep back down. So you say, you know what? We may have some more room to go. So we're gonna look this for a short tomorrow. Anywhere below 115.32 will be a short on Airbnb. GME. I remember this one from COVID. GME and AMC. Oh boy, what a wild ride that was. So once again, little curl to the downside. Anywhere below 21, I'll say 21.20. It's a short. Let's look at the intraday. Rough day today. Let's go about let's hit 60-minute. Yeah, see, it broke major support right here. 22.20 broke major support. Once you break that support, it's all red from there usually. Go back to the daily. Let's get the weekly, get a quick bird's eye view. Yeah, it's alright. But our focus is on the daily, so it goes below 21.20 tomorrow. GME is a short. Next up, Hims and Hers. We have this as a short. Like I said, you see how it closed above the green line? It started to make its move, but the 20 SMA, this purple line, rejected it. Not only did it reject it, it decided to come back down through this green EMA. So let's look at it for the downside tomorrow. See what it does. Hims. Next up, NTRA. Once again, decent run up. Big red candle, doji. They have another red candle below the EMA. If it breaks below, what's the low? 117, it's a good short because it has a major support here as well. So anywhere below 117, I like NTRA as a short. Finally, last on the list, EDU. EDU downtrend popped up. It's the lovely doji, long candle. And you know what? Like I said, if it got through the 20, good job. But hey, we have another resistance, and then the 50 resistance. We have the 200. That's a lot. That's a lot to get through. So it backed down. Major support right here. Let's go to the 60-minute. Let's go to the 30-minute, maybe. I know it. Let's go real. Let's go to the 2 hour. All right, so we can see right here, it broke this major support level. What's that? Around 67. 1, 2, 3, 4 points of support that it broke. So we say once it broke through that support level, it should continue back down to that area, at least to the $60. So that completes the list. Happy trading. Comment, like, subscribe. Any questions, let me know. Talk to you guys soon.